In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Steam is currently in offline mode. If your Steam client keeps insisting it's offline even though your internet is fine. Don't worry, this walkthrough will get you back online quickly and safely using a few reliable actions built right into Windows and Steam. First, completely close Steam and restart it. Sometimes, Steam leaves helper processes running that keep it stuck in an offline state. Press Ctrl-Shift and ESC together to open Task Manager. In the Processes tab, look for anything related to Steam, things like Steam or Steam Client Web Helper. Right-click each one and choose End Task. Make sure there are no Steam entries left. Then launch Steam again from your shortcut or Start menu. A clean restart often refreshes the connection and clears minor hiccups. If that doesn't do the trick, use Steam's built-in configuration refresh. Press the Windows key and R together to open the Run dialog. Type Steam /flush config and press Enter. You'll see a prompt explaining that this will clear the cache and refresh Steam's configuration. Confirm to proceed. This doesn't uninstall your games or delete your library. It simply resets cached settings that can cause connectivity problems. Be aware you may need to sign in again afterward. So have your login ready. Once complete, open Steam normally and let it finish any quick updates. Next, make sure the client is actually set to go online. In the top left corner of the Steam window, click Steam, then select Go Online. If prompted to restart, allow it. This explicitly switches the client out of offline mode and reconnects it to Steam's servers, assuming your network connection is working. Finally, if Steam still refuses to connect, try launching it with elevated permissions. Right-click your Steam shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. When Windows asks for permission, confirm. This gives Steam the access it needs to interact with networking components and system services that might be blocking normal operation. If Steam comes online this way, you can close it and try launching it normally next time. You don't have to run as administrator permanently. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.